So my daughter comes up to me. She's like, "Hey, Dad, this part fell off my car. This part right here. Yeah. This is for a 2000 Jeep Cherokee Limited. Probably fits a bunch of Jeeps. But this is the door check strap, like a little anchor thing that goes in there. So show you what I did to fix it, fix it temporarily, and then I'm gonna fix it. So you'll see that this is not factory. Yeah, I put a little screw in there. The original part was this door check strap that was in there instead of that screw that you see right there. So yeah, we're gonna do something a little different here with this one. So I'm gonna need to take this door panel off first. I believe there's 5 Phillips head screws that we're gonna be taking out of here. There's one here, there's one up here, and there's 1, 2, 3, right there. Total of, I believe, 5 Phillips head screws. All right, now inside the door, there's several things that we need to pop out of here. There's these, this is for the door right here to be able to open up on the bottom and then the lock on the top. So just gonna make this one hand here. So we'll pop this out of here first. I'm gonna pop the plastic part off of the post, and then it'll just fall out of there. Usually pretty easily. And the same thing on the other one over there. We're gonna just pop that out of there as well. Again, one-handed. We'll get it there. All right. And then those will just drop. We always hope for them to just drop right out. Same thing on this one as well. So I might have to drop the camera here for a moment. All right, drop those out of there. And then now we have a few of these plugged into. If you have power door locks, power windows, something like that, then you are going to have to unplug the electrode that goes along with that. So we'll do that here too as well. Squeeze and pull, and then same thing here. Squeeze. You don't want to pull in the wires, you want to pull in the plug. And especially don't want to drop your phone. There it is though, comes right off. So now we got a bare door right here. Okay, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to pull this speaker out and see if I can reach up in there to be able to get this. So we'll see how that goes. It looks like it's an aftermarket speaker, so this could be fun. Before I pop that speaker out, I'm gonna take these 2 off right here. This is on the door latch. It's on the inside, it's on that right there, but it's just a 10 millimeter. So I'm gonna pull that loose here. Pull this temporary door pin out of here. I just had to take the tension off the door and then how that one goes. Okay, so now you can see that this is very loose, like all those screws are out. So what we need to do, because once it falls in there, it's like, how do you get it out? Well, hopefully it'll come out through that speaker hole. All right, and there is the old door check right there. This is going to be wonderful trying to get this back in here. The pain it was to get out, it's probably going to take a little while, so we may be fast forwarding this. We'll see how this goes. It might be helpful to bring the window up. And then once you get it lined up, you'll tighten those up. Might need to get a hammer and maybe a punch. We'll have to get the speaker back on. You're gonna reconnect your door panel. You wanna make sure that you get those connected back on there as well too. Your lock and your door handle, the way you open the door. Get those hooked up as well too. We'll get this lined up here, so we're gonna bring this up. And you want to put it, it's pretty easy. Just plug in the right one. Because after you get a click right there, you can click. Same thing on this one. So I can get out where you can see. These ones here, the top one, the yellow in my system is the door lock. I'm going to push the post in first. And then just swing that mechanism around to snap on there, and then same thing with this other one. Alright, I thought I lost it. Do not want to lose those. I'll be taking a trip to the parts store anyways. Alright, so I want to drop that in the hole first, and then swing it around to lock it in place. Even when you put this door on. Put your door back on, up, drop it, winch, right the window. Get a push in place right there and then around the outside. Just kind of push the tabs in. You want to get a little smack here and there. And then we're going to go back and screw everything back where it goes. So I have these bigger screws that went right down the middle here. A smaller one up top and a smaller one in here. So we'll hit each of those. And that should be it. There we go. Door check strap on a 2000 Jeep Cherokee.